Hey, Brendan here, and I'm excited, and I have a question for you, and that is, do you know how to get the best deal? Well, I'm going to help you, because a lot of people don't, and the problem they have is they don't know how to get what they want from the factories in China. So fear no more, presenting the negotiation triangle of glory. So there are three parts to the negotiation triangle of glory, and you've got to get these to understand how to get a good deal. So let's go through it. So number one is, of course, the price. So you need to know how to get the very, very best price. So the game is buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high on places like Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Gumtree, the list goes on and on. The second thing that you need to do is also to get it quickly. The faster you get it, the quicker you can get it to your customers, you can get online and you can start selling it. And as the stock goes down, the quicker you can replenish supplies to make sure that you are never without stock, which is the number one sin in the importing game. And number three, of course, is quality. You want to make sure you have a very high quality product to sell to your customers. The higher the quality, the better your reviews, the higher it gets searched, the more people click, the more people buy, and the happier they are. You want to get good reviews, and quality is the doorway to good reviews. So here is the negotiation triangle of glory. The way it works is this: you get to pick two, and only two. You generally can't have all three. So if you want something quick and you want a high quality, well, you've got to pay the price. If you want something cheap and you want a really good quality, then you have to wait for it. And thirdly, if you want to make sure that you have a product that is a very, very, very fast product that is also at a very good price, then you might have to compromise on quality. And that third one, I suggest you never actually do. So that's the negotiation triangle of glory. Pick the two that are the most important for you and focus on those in your negotiations. Do you want price? Do you want speed, or do you want quality? That's it. I hope you find these tips useful. If you like this tip, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to share it because you loved it and your friends can benefit, then please share it as well. And of course, your comments are my oxygen. Any questions or any comments below, put them down here and I will answer them personally for you. That's it from me today. Enjoy the negotiation triangle of glory. Bye for now.